sometimes a user input is necessary. G1ANT Robot allows to ask a user for some input with the dialog ask command, and the if command is a perfect tool to check what was entered. Run this script. I'm going to type there, for example 2. The dialog ask command displays a dialog box with a message of your choice. Enter a digit 0 to 9 in this case, and provides an input box to enter data, which is stored in the input variable. The if-else block checks what was entered and displays individual dialog boxes for 3 values, 1, 2, and 3, and a common message for any other value. Note that this time the values in conditions are embraced with quotes if variable input equals 1. Because they're text, not numbers, more on this in the next lesson.